Hi, we're here with Windsor Mallet. He is the president and owner at Tempietto Homes. Hi, Windsor. Thank you for being with us today.
Nice to see you, Maxine.
Can you tell us what you do at your company and what your plans are for the future?
We've been in business for almost 40 years, and for a long time we were doing a few houses and a lot of custom renovations and so forth. But in 2008 we decided to retool the company towards sustainable building and solar design. And then before long you start to realize that the sustainable and the solar aspect is so essential that you need to really rethink how you're working with it. So that's what we did. We basically said, let's design the houses as if they were made for solar right from the beginning. And so we're trying to develop a futuristic look that shows how beautiful this presentation of crystalline tiles can be on your roof if it's really intended that way. So the first house we built, which is the lead one, which we're discussing, is called Toaster House. It's in Wayland, and we tore down an old house that was falling down and built this in its place, really to test out a whole series of new materials, one of which was foam blocks for foundations, which are called insulated concrete forms. They're really just Legos. All the interns and myself, we built the foundation together just to kind of demonstrate that there's a new sort of more interesting way to build. Part of what was interesting was we were figuring out as we go. It's actually unusual in the New England construction market to have people building foundations with ICFs, the walls and roof with SIPs, which are structural insulated panels. So there's no studs. You do your concept drawing, you send it to a factory, they digitize it, they print your building on huge insulated slabs, they deliver it on a flatbed and they put it up in a few days. We basically were wandering in the dark, and it ended up being really enjoyable to build.
Can you tell us how LEED has impacted your business?
I've been in business for almost 40 years, and you get tired of building in the same old way. And in a sense, what we have done slowly is really look at how technology and all the technologies that LEED points to, how they create a new vocabulary. We're working with angles for the sun, we're working with materials that allow you to do things you couldn't do otherwise, and it's really expanded our design vocabulary, and that's what we're running with and very excited about, as opposed to bored and just doing it for the money.
Windsor, can you tell us who worked on this project with you?
The team that we tried to assemble was really the youngest people we could find. So having that kind of youth energy was really important, but also my wife, Peggy, was a big help. I mean, we almost renovated our old house. It was falling down everywhere, and she just said, let's tear it down and build Toaster.
That's great.